Welcome to our lesson on adding rational expressions. In this video, we will focus on problems where the expressions already have a common denominator. First, let's understand what a rational expression is. It's simply a fraction where both the numerator, p of x, and the denominator, q of x, are polynomials. When we add fractions, the most important rule is that they must have the same denominator. We call this a common denominator. For example, a over c plus b over c. The rule for adding rational expressions with a common denominator is straightforward. You add the numerators together and place the sum over the common denominator. So, a over c plus b over c equals a plus b all over c. Let's look at an example. We have 3 over x plus 5 over x. Since the denominators are both x, we can add the numerators. 3 plus 5 is 8, so the answer is 8 over x. Here is another example. We have 2x plus 3 over x minus 1 plus x minus 2 over x minus 1. We add the numerators to get 2x plus 3 plus x minus 2. Combining the like terms gives us 3x plus 1 all over x minus 1. But what happens when the denominators are not the same, like in a over b plus c over d? In this case, you need to find the least common denominator, or LCD. Let's find the LCD for 5 over 2x plus 3 over 4y first. The least common multiple of the numbers 2 and 4 is 4. Then, for the variables x and y, the least common multiple is xy, so the LCD is 4xy. Now we can use the LCD to add the expressions. We rewrite each fraction with the denominator 4xy. This gives us 10y over 4xy plus 3x over 4xy. Adding the numerators, we get 10y plus 3x, all over 4xy. To summarize, always check for a common denominator. If the denominators are the same, just add the numerators. If they're different, find the LCD, rewrite the fractions, and then add the numerators. With these steps, you can add any rational expressions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.